Hi, I'm Jeff from the C5 Corvette channel, and I'm here to share with you one of the easiest and one of the most effective mods you could do to your C5 Corvette, the C5 manual Hoodlight switch. Now, this manual Hoodlight switch helps to address one of the main issues that plagues many C5 owners, which is battery drain. This switch is useful for when you are opening your hood and keeping it open for a long time, either during repairs, whether you're going to a car show, or whether you're detailing your vehicle and you have to keep this hood open for a long time. It allows you to shut off the light and preserve your battery life. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install and use the C5 manual headlight switch. Let's go. Okay. Our C5 manual Hoodlight switch has been delivered. So let's open up the box and see what we've got. C5 Hoodlight switch comes in this plastic bag, and in the bag we have a set of instructions, 2 zip ties, and the C5 Hoodlight switch itself. There are 2 OEM style connectors, which will allow you to easily unplug the old wire and plug in the new wire. There is no cutting or splicing needed for this installation. It's quick and it's easy. The wire is about the same length as the wire that's on the C5 now. And on this wire, there is a convenient on-off switch. And this will allow you to turn the C5 Hoodlight off and on whenever you wish. The installation of the C5 manual Hoodlight switch is very quick and easy. It only requires the Hoodlight switch itself along with its instructions and this panel tool. I will put links to both down in the description. We're here under the hood of the C5, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to install the manual C5 Hoodlight switch. Step 1, we're going to open the hood of the C5, of course. Step 2, we're going to locate the 2 ends of the stock C5 Hoodlight wire, which the first connection is here underneath this cover. The second connection, if you trace the wire, would be down below. We're going to take the panel tool, which is our next step, and we're going to take out about half of these Christmas tree pins. We're going to fold the cover over gently, because you don't want to rip this cover, because some of them are old like mine. And then we're going to unplug the old wire, disconnect it. You're going to have to cut one of the zip ties that's holding it to the car. We're going to unplug it here. We're going to unplug it down below. We're going to plug our new wire in, secure it to the car with the included zip ties, and then we're going to test it out before we put everything together. Put the Christmas tree pins back in this, and we're going to close the hood because we'll be done. Installing the C5 Hoodlight switch is a small mod that'll give you big benefits when it comes to the life of the battery of your C5. We'd like to hear from you in the comments. What are some of the things that you do to preserve the life of the battery in your C5? And if you've liked this video and you want to see others like it, check me out on the C5 Corvette channel, as we have playlists full of videos like this that will help you in your C5 ownership journey. I'm Jeff. The channel is C5 Corvette, and I will see you in the next video.